Hi! In front of me is Infinix Note 12 2023, and today I would like to show you how you can change theme of this device. First of all, go into X-Theme app. Then select theme at the bottom. Now you can click on category, tap on the search bar or select one of those themes. In my case, this one. When you pick the perfect one, click on download at the bottom and choose apply. So when I do that, as you can see, style of my device has changed. If you wish to, you can always go into X-Theme again and tap on local in theme section. This way you will access your default theme and apply it by selecting apply button. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!